So student, I'm today going to explain you box model. In box model, we already explained you that what is box model. So these are the basic structure of the HTML. Now I'm going to write some of the content in body tag area. So I'm writing here only adding h1 tag, any head tag. Okay. So this is hashtag opening and this is hashtag closing. Okay. Now I'm writing box model example. I'm writing here box model example, like this way. Okay, I'm writing here this, and now I'm going to save this. This is the basic HTML. I'm not adding anything else like a style tag. Okay, so I'm saving this with the .html extensions. Like it, here I'm writing box.html because I'm giving you example of box model. So saving in the desktop area. Now close save options and now checking the window D. This is the box of icon. Now see, I'm just adding box model example. See, your example is showing like this way only right now because I'm not embedded any type of CSS here. Now I hope it's showing to you. So these are the box model example. Okay, now again come into the notepad area. Okay, now I'm going to calling in head area style tag. Style tag is called by the style tag options. As style tag option, style with type attribute equals to text / CSS. Okay, now triangular bracket close and again close this because style is also container. Your closing is compulsory for this. And now call the h1 syntax. Okay, now I'm designing h1 syntax and here I'm writing code of the like background content, background as given in your book, background color, colon, I'm using here green color, green, semicolon, again I'm using here width, width. Remember, if have any spelling mistake then your code will not run. Okay, use the width is I'm using here 400 pixels I explained you in the classroom. Now again I'm writing here pad border thickness, colon, border thickness I have set 20 pixels with solid yellow. Okay, I'm changing the color according to your book. Okay, now use padding, colon, padding is given 50 pixels, so I'm using here 80 pixels, colon. Now use margin, what margins you want to set in the particular box model. Okay, C, semicolon, and I'm setting margin 25 pixels, semicolon. Now close the curly braces here. Okay, now I have designed here the syntax of the style tags. This is the syntax of the CSS. Now I am calling this h1 in the area of body tag, like already I have called this. Okay, now again save this because each and every action save in documents. Now go into your documents area, just refresh this page. See, this is your box model example. Now I'm going to change some of the syntax content, like I am setting here 25 margin, so I am going to change this 40 pixels. I am changing the margin, only margin size 40 pixels, and after saving I am again going to the checking what will happen. Refresh this page. See, the margin of the page change. I am changing a page 100 because it's not exactly showing up, so I am going to change once again. Save this again and refresh this page. Now padding area I have using here 180. I'm using here 180. Control S, and also you can use this way, save, and then again go here. See, these are called the padding. Like this area is called the padding, which is unhide and text is showing into the center. Okay, now again come into the border pixels. I am setting here 20 pixels. Now I am getting to change this, going to change the pixels of border is 50. Okay, 50 pixels. Now again save this and go into your documents area and refresh this page. See, the pixels of the borders change, yellow colors. These are the borders with 50 pixels. Okay, now if I am changing a solid yellow in solid red, Control S, and again go there and change, refresh. See, the color also change. And again go into your notepad area, and now width is 400 pixels. I am going to change in 200 pixels. Okay, again save this using of Control S or using of this method, and then go again here and refresh this page. See, so these are the box model. Background color I have set it here green. So I am going to change this color green in, suppose I am changing this color of pink. Okay, again save this, Control S or using of this file menu, whatever you want. Okay, now go there again and refresh this page. So this is the pink color. Now one more question. Now I'm going to close this website page and closing also this one. This are icons showing in the browser format like this here, browser format box, because I have wrote the name of this browser's box. So if you want to open this box in the form of notepad, just right click of this and click on the open with option, this open with options, and then select the notepad option. Your notepad coding will be appear, okay, on your screen. Is that clear to you? If not, to see this video more than one time, everything will be clear to you. Okay, thank you.